Hello everyone. I'm honored to welcome you to this momentous event. 2020 is now behind us. It was a very stressful and difficult year for us all, but we coped very well here at Heckert thanks to our high level of diversification. That's how we managed to win so many new and interesting projects. There's a clear trend towards 5-axis machining and increased automation, both fields in which we feel very much at home. But let's look to the future, to our mid-range series, which is recognized on the market as a benchmark for precision and stability. This is what brought us so many new customers around the world. We want to build on the successes of our compact modular system and combine the advantages of the HEC modular system. This solution delivers you the best of both worlds in one machine. Over to Martin Bruckner for the details. Hello. We've been building machine tools here in Chemnitz for 120 years now. In all that time, we've made sure that our Heckert machines are built for stability, process reliability, and long-time precision, properties which can only be achieved with solid mechanical engineering and high-quality standards. For this reason, we design and manufacture all our core assemblies ourselves. Our customers profit from these solutions in their production systems. Thanks to reliable processes with a machine availability of over 96%, we can achieve the lowest cost per part in the entire industry. This applies both to the HEC machines and to our brand new compact series machining centers. For example, the Heckert T45 helped one of our customers to double their annual output of planet carriers while taking up only half the production space. At another customer, the same machine halved costs for parts, providing a saving of over 300,000 euros per year. Maintaining this status is important to us, and we learn a lot by exchanging ideas with you, our customers, including, for example, what you want from a compact machining center suitable for heavy-duty cutting, maximum dynamic performance, high cutting capacity, high load capacity, integration in existing infrastructure, ease of automation, transparency and Industry 4.0, process reliability, and for it to be future-proof, efficient, and productive. We have used these findings and our experience to create the link between our highly dynamic compact machining center and the benchmark for heavy-duty cutting. The new Heckert H65 is here. An impressive machine, which will give your production systems outstanding competitive advantage. To explain how, here's Markus Richter. The Heckert H65, one of our next-generation compact modular systems, it's a brilliant machine. It promises maximum efficiency as standard. Our objective in development was to consistently increase customer benefit in terms of productivity, future-proofness, and ergonomics, while at the same time consistently reducing the machine's footprint. In the process, we remained true to our Heckert DNA, a finely balanced relationship between dynamic performance, rigidity, and damping, and the thermosymmetrical structure of the machine as a whole. I would also like to mention our excellent disposal concept, which is also embodied in this machine. For the setup station, we focused on process reliability and operator ergonomics. Manually rotatable as standard, with a large opening for overhead crane loading, the machine makes it possible for the operator to clamp the workpieces comfortably from above. The integrated disposal concept, together with the jet washer, allows the operator to clean the workpieces after they have been machined. The integrated chip conveyor transports the chips and the coolant backwards through the machine into the chip container. The automatically rotatable setup station, in conjunction with the automatically opening setup station doors, optionally provides easy integration for automation. This can be loading by robot or a linear magazine. The workpieces can be fully cleaned after machining in automated systems too, by means of the automatic setup station washing machine. Even if loading is done manually, many customers benefit from the option of automatically opening setup station doors as an indicator of when machining of the workpieces is finished. The pallet changer is of forked design so that the comparatively heavy workpieces can be changed safely. Load-optimized actuation reduces non-productive time. Customers who are already using HEC machines in their manufacturing plants can continue using the pallets from these machines in the Heckert H65. Automatic load-dependent optimization of the dynamic performance parameters of the table helps to increase the machine's productivity. The machine has a maintenance-friendly hollow shaft spindle with a rotation speed of 10,000 RPM, a torque of up to 450 Nm, and a power of up to 60 kilowatts. Installed in a weight-optimized upright housing with a high degree of rigidity and damping, it is the design for heavy-duty cutting. As a further option, our portfolio also includes a motor spindle with a run-up time of 1 second for aluminium cutting. The workspace is designed to allow the chips to fall optimally and avoid wear on the machine hoods. If you're producing a lot of chips, you need to clear them out of the machine. Because the chips fall directly downwards, this prevents chip packing and the amount of heat applied to the frame assemblies is reduced. The disposal of the chips, the temperature control of the machine, and process cooling are of course closely linked. Our standard version includes internal coolant supply of up to 80 bar through the center of the spindle, which can be switched on by M command, and external coolant supply via the ring of nozzles on the spindle. Also included are the surge shower, the swirl nozzle with bull-type cleaning head, and washing systems for the bed, hood, and pallet changer. To ensure all this, each Heckert H65 has its own high-pressure pump and low-pressure distribution system. The Heckert H65 comes with a wide range of magazines and associated tool changers. Tools weighing up to 22 kilograms can be stored safely using the chain magazine or inline chain magazine. The tower magazine variants store tools weighing up to 50 kilograms. The chip-to-chip time of our most dynamic design is 3.1 seconds. An efficient tool breakage monitoring system again reduces costly downtimes. The energy console and the service area of all our compact machines are identical, which means that everything has its place. The standardized construction makes it easier for servicing and operating personnel to see what goes where. This means that all options can be retrofitted and defective components can be replaced with short machine downtimes. The machine has a central connection for customer-provided cooling water as standard. The main spindle, table, switchgear, cabinet and hydraulics can be cooled optimally by means of a central heat exchanger and a further heat exchanger for each module. The machine can optionally be equipped with a central refrigeration unit. The position of the duplex filter on the discharge chute of the chip conveyor has been chosen deliberately. It enables our customers' maintenance personnel to change the filter cartridges during operation, with coolant residues being collected in the chip conveyor underneath instead of dropping onto the floor of the production hall. The control station is equipped with an eye-catching 24-inch control panel. For up-to-date control, multi-touch, visual operator guidance, and 3 overrides are provided as standard. The Heckert home screen rounds the whole machine off. For the current and future demands of big data in manufacturing technology, the machine has I/O links to field level as standard. The control station and the step access to the workspace were designed with a focus on ergonomics. That's the technical overview. Now back to Martin. It's so exciting to think what our developers have accomplished with the new Heckert H65. Thanks to the upright housing, optimized specifically for dynamic machining, you can achieve maximum speeds 30% faster than before, with cutting capacity in the ranges reached by much larger machines. With a load capacity of up to 1.5 tons, you will increase your output by over 80%. With the option of connection to your internal supply system and compatibility with pallets of older machines, the Heckert H65 can be integrated seamlessly into your existing infrastructure. With the automatic setup station washing system and the optional automated setup station doors, the Heckert H65 is ready for countless unmanned shifts. The built-in I/O Link technology allows you to monitor the status of the machine or even individual assemblies at any time and from anywhere. The user-friendly HMI, the chip conveyor running under the setup station, the well-thought-out and maintenance-friendly structure of the machine, the powerful washing and cooling concept, all this contributes to your process reliability. And by standardizing the module configuration, we make it easy to retrofit options and adapt your Heckert H65 to your changing requirements over the years. Last but not least, efficiency. The Heckert H65 is not only faster and more energy efficient thanks to reduced non-productive times, but also with its small footprint of 24 square meters, saves valuable space in your production facilities. We are thrilled by this advance in our product portfolio. I'm looking forward to hearing your questions and ideas about using a brand new Heckert H65 in your manufacturing processes. Back to Alexander Attenberger. The Heckert H65 completes our modular product system of horizontal machining centers and allows us to offer you the right solution for your future manufacturing needs. Let me just make one final technical comment. If you need a dynamic HSK63 variant of the machine for your components, this is also available right now in the form of the Heckert H60. But before I say goodbye, I'd like to express my gratitude to our colleagues who have worked on this project with such passion and commitment. Thank you.